Blue, do you want to film with me? Do you want to film with me? Look at ya. Oh, listen, so we are in the RV. We are in Mealy, and I'm going to merge my two channels real quick. I'm going to do a Mealy's Way video and also do a Tidy with Teresa video. So Mealy's Way is about the RV and camping and doing fun stuff like that. And Teresa, Tidy with Teresa, is about organizing and being decluttered and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We have the RV, and I'm going to turn this around so you can see it. So hold on one second. Okay, so we are in Mealy. Look, Blue's on her pee pad. But we are in Mealy. We are getting ready to go on a camping trip. So I'm going to load everything up. There's probably nothing in here right now. See? I'm going to get everything packed up so we can go. We are in the driveway, so I don't want to piss off my HOA. Hey! Don't want to piss off my HOA, but I got to add a couple things up here and get this baby packed. Right, Blue? We're going to go bye-bye? Do you want to go bye-bye? We're going to go on vacation. Yep, and just kind of tidy everything up here and get things packed up. So I'm going to take you with me. Oh, she's ready to go. You ready to go? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so I'm going to take you guys with me so that we can kind of... Oh, I hear a train. So we can go and get everything packed up. And I'm going to show you what that is like, and I'm going to show you it on both channels so you can see them both. So let's get started. Hey, okay, what are we doing today?
Camping.
Camping! Crazy dog. Anyway, we are going to get this all put away, and then we're packing, right?
Yes.
Putting everything in the RV, right?
Yes.
All right, let's get started.
Yes.
So I'm just going to do a quick folding and putting away the clothes that we're not taking, and then leaving out the clothes that we're going to take on our camping trip. And of course I have to use my little folding board because that thing is incredible. It really does make it easier to pack. The clothes for some reason seem to be thinner, so it's just easier to get things packed with that. I do really, really like that folding board. I will link it in the description as well. Okay, so these are Caitlin's clothes that are going to go into the RV. So I'm going to go ahead and get her stuff packed up right now. Okay, so let me show you this mess that's going on right here. That's Caitlin's clothes. Here's my robe. I always take my robe camping. And I'm going to go ahead and put her clothes in here. I probably should have moved this ottoman. I'm going to go ahead and load this top drawer for her. That's usually what she uses when we go camping. So that's where these are going to go. And then I'll move this as well later. Let's do this. Okay, so I have Caitlin's stuff kind of shoved in here envelope style. Doesn't look so pretty from the front. And then here's a little bit more of her clothes as well. And then I will also put some of mine up here. And then also Keith and I can split this too. There's plenty of room in here. So that's what we got so far. Okay, so I just got my first round packed. See over here, nothing's happening right here, back here. But I've got this going on over here. I'll take you this way. See? So that has been started. So now on for the next. We've got to get my clothes and stuff like that. I also got to get some food in here because right now there's no food in here, so I got to get some food too. Yeah. Nice shark, Mercer. Hey. Okay, real life going on here. I gotta clean this up, but I'm gonna pull some clothes. You guys, this is my part of the closet right here. This is all I got. I got this and I got that dresser. And that's like travel crap that I need to go through, and I need to go through this stuff. But all of this right here, we're still going. We're still going. All of this is my husband. Still going. Still going. That's the other stuff I just cleaned up. Oh, and then all of his shoes are down here. Shoes. Yep. And that's him too. And that's him too. This little part right here, this section, that's me. And that's me. But you know what? I'm going to do a declutter. Yeah, I'm going to do a declutter of this stuff because I really don't need all of this. It probably doesn't fit me because I put so much weight on because of this stupid COVID and all the eating, mostly the eating. But I'm going to go ahead and go through these clothes and pull out what I'm going to take for camping. And I know that it's not going to be very warm up there. So it's probably going to be like a lot of leggings and long stuff because that's what I need. All right, let's go. Okie dokie pokies. Well, I know I need PJs. We are only gone for the weekend, so one pair of PJs is fine. Some undies. I got my bras already out there and undies out there. And then I'm going to do some very comfortable clothes. Oh, and socks, because I know it's going to be cold. Let me tell you right now, socks are important if you're camping and it's chilly. You need big, I'll show you, big thick socks. We want like these big thick socks. I'm bringing a couple pairs because it's going to be cold. I know it's going to be cold, not freezing, but chilly. All right, I'll bring these guys too. They're cute. Memory lane. Alright, so this right here is my makeup bag, and I have makeup and goodies packed in there, and my glasses and all. So that's my makeup bag. Sleeping in the backseat of my beat up car, or out underneath the stars. Goodbye, crazy circumstance. Goodbye, forever and a day. Okay, I've probably overpacked. Sweaters, shirts, pajamas, leggings, pants, lots of socks because I know I'm gonna get cold, private things, and then my shoes. So I am now gonna take these out to Mealy the RV. Okay, it's not the neatest packing job. I put my robe up here. I need to get a command hook. My other one fell down. That goes in the bathroom. And then I've got like socks and undies and stuff in here. This is Caitlin stuff. This is Caitlin stuff. I put my bigger, bulkier items over there. My Uggs are over there. And now I'm going to get the rest and put them over here. Okay, round two. I dropped a wayward sock, so I'll put this guy away as well as the rest. That's my makeup bag. And then I also have some stuff already in the RV. Okay, hopefully this will fit here. I think it will, yeah. You're gonna fit there. For the ride anyway. You're down there. And then I'm gonna put these up in here. I'm gonna try and squeeze as much as I can into this closet so that Keith can have this room. I'll be back. Okay, so I put my PJs in here and I just jammed the rest of the clothes there. This is not a very organized packing job, but it is a packing job nonetheless. That is finished. Keith gets this whole section. Just so you guys know, this table gets put over here. And then this ottoman, I'll put it back on the bed when we go to travel, but this ottoman is where we put our dirty clothes. Our pillows are in there right now, but that's where we put our dirty clothes when we travel. Oh, and then this, greatest thing ever. I got one of these shoe things, And I like to leave my slippers in there, and there's shoe things for everyone, so there's a ton of them. So there's some here. There's even some over here hiding behind this thing. Oh, here it is, it fell. So we have this one as well. So I get that hung back up. Okay, that's back up now. So we put a lot of shoes in there. We also put like our stuff for the TV and stuff in there too, so. Yay, moving on. All right, so here's my little grocery list or list of things that I need to put in Mealy. So time to go shopping. We're going to the grocery store.
Say hello, let's go to grocers.
Yep, let's go get what we need for this trip. Let's go. Okay, we're at Food Kitty.
Food Kitty.
Food Kitty. We are at Food Kitty.
Hello,
Food Kitty. Food Lion. We're gonna go through our list, okay?
Yes.
Let's camp.
Pick everything up.
Yep. Let's get it done. All right, let's load them up.
Drinks first, or not this?
Oh, there goes my bread.
Bread falling out now.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Does it matter where I put the
Nope.
drink?
Okay, last one. Where are you gonna put it? All right, put the card away. Good job, thumbs up. All right, so let me turn this off. Okay, so like we're approaching the house and you can't really even notice him until you get like right up on him. HOA, whatever. All right, time to unload the groceries. Action. All right, I'm gonna put these in the RV. Woo. Follow me, my child. Follow me. All right, let's go ahead and unload. Let's unload. All right, here. Bread.
Yes, bread.
Bread. Chips. Chips on sale. Chips.
Bread and chips, check.
And crackers.
Crackers, check.
Crackers, check. Breakfasty food.
Check.
Oh, I still have popcorn from before. Sweet. I'll put that in with the chips. Breakfasty food. Breakfasty food. Breakfasty food. And everything else is going to go in the fridge. And coffee. Coffee.
Check.
Check. Breakfasty food. Poodle stuff.
Dog food.
And I need to
check.
put the poodle stuff in here. In between.
I don't think goldfish count as a breakfasty food.
No, but goldfish are over here. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, you're right. That should be a chip
I just
and
gave
cracker.
you the thumb for that.
Yeah, you did. I did it wrong.
You deserve the thumb.
And then these are not cold, but will be.
My yogurts.
Your yogurts and whatnot.
Too bad I couldn't find any pudding cups. Hopefully the next place we go to will have pudding cups.
That would be nice. And then I'll get the pop.
And cupcakes.
Oh.
I didn't find any
Look,
cupcakes.
my yogurt fell out.
Yogurt. One of my yogurts fell out.
Well, your yogurt fell out. All right.
Do we have plastic spoons for when I go to eat those?
We have real spoons.
Oh, real spoons.
You see the real spoons?
Yes.
Ugh.
You can get the door
Real
open.
spoons.
Yep, I see them.
Alrighty. We're set for now. We're just going to get the rest of the stuff.
Yes, cut and print.
Pop. And I have these little bars on here so they won't fall out. Now, mind you, this fridge is not on and not cold. So we're going to end up putting some ice up here in the top to get it started. Because fridges on RVs don't get cold for a while. So let's
What about
do
our
that
frozen
now. We'll
foods
do that.
and yogurts and stuff at the bottom? How do we make
Yeah,
sure
I'm gonna put some cooling stuff on those as well. So that's what we're gonna do. This is a hot cold bag that comes from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put my ice packets in here. These are my this right here, you put these in like wine and stuff so it doesn't water down the wine. So I'll put that in here because it's cold. And also these ice packs. We're gonna take these out to the RV to try to get it started. I'm being cold. See? Let's take this out to Amelia. You wanna do that real quick right now? Follow me, follow me. Okay. I see your finger just right there. All right, we're putting this in here. This should help to start cooling this down. We might put some ice in here too and get it going, but we're leaving pretty soon, so it won't be not cold for very long. So, alrighty. Okay, so I've checked off everything that we got at the grocery store, and I will go ahead and load up everything else that we need before we go. Okay, so I'm pretty much packed up, just have a couple more things to pack. Electronics, Keith is gonna put his clothes in as soon as he gets off work, and then all of the things that need to stay cold are gonna go in after that. But I'm gonna stop this video here. His jeans, look, jeans. I'm gonna stop this video here, and I hope you stay tuned for the next one, which will probably come out in a couple days, and you will see us, if you watch the Mealy's Way video, you'll see us at this really cool campground in Boonville, North Carolina, and if not, I'll get another tidying video up in the next few days. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!